Remember, I am no makeup artist. I just know how to help myself.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss.
Trap, money, penny. Got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
I look like my not you. Oh well. Somebody's son still like me. So guys, I was asked by a follower on my Instagram to do a makeup tutorial, and I want me to tell this young lady, do it. If you don't watch my tutorial yet, go and go watch it. Hold them, girl. Wait. Oh. Whoa. Yes, I know I speak. I know. Okay. So I'm wondering if I should do one side and then I do the other side. I'm a face still a broke out, you know. It's okay. Some of the sons still like me. Me still like myself. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start by doing my brows, and remember, I am not no makeup artist nor nothing like that. I'm just try a thing and see how it work out. Okay. Oh, you zoom on this here. Jesus Christ, iPhone is the devil. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna get my little sting spoolie and good girl of brows. Okay, I have brows. I'm gonna join the little brow them now. Focus, friend. Focus. Come just sit down on my little chair right there, so look, I don't know if I do the right thing. Even though it works, you know. Anyways, so I'll fill in the brow. I shaved them a while ago, so that's why them kind of look fresh. Blur it not. You know, so this hard for do. On that phone, yeah. Focus, friend, focus. I'll go decide after if I can post this or not, because first of all,
kill my competition, then my cut with the derby. All of me gyal them a come out for the party. Me so much camel toe feel like me the Abu Dhabi. Wow, swabby, me out to them a panic. None of them can keep up with my speed. My supersonic. Me and chain my talk about game changer. 6'2" me a dance all me and danger. Them you can't create till them can't get no stranger. Boy you a minor, nah do no major. Lock down your gyal inna my bed and she no stop come. Me keep back and watch them just a drop down. Crank up the shotgun. Now go ever hear vendetta back down. Race out everything them life lock down. Circle.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Next time is a house spring. You do me a thing, do me a fiat, Maya, and you don't know, send me at yours. I'm a sweet saying on the behavior. But carry on. Golden. Wine from body like a candid. Tired of thinking of just a fire like a thousand gold. Golden girl, golden pole, not a boring pole. You better don't panic if she bust a split on it, and you better don't keep ready open door. Me girl, you everything if you hold.
On my mind, so Satan with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Go some man slide with it down. She give me the pussy, we are working the laugh, you know. No blood in the eyes and dance in the heart, you know. Fall in love, we make him money to me family.
like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Like a blink of an eye.
I chose today for do this, you know. Maybe because of my ears still. Okay, that don't look so bad. They might come together. Alright, good girl. Play a little alka. Lad, girl.
We can't stop love you now. Relax, I wanna give you some good fuck. Lights, the music turned up. Pack me things in my church, me I go. Feel like every time you need up.
I'm gonna give you some nice one. Call me Earn, I'm not alkaline. If not to see a bit.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Way your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues.
Black Radiance.
You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with ya. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your.
And I'ma wait up till you get him. See, I done had too many shots.
On my mind, so say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
So we're just now taking off the setting powder. This one I took off a good while ago, but I was on live. This is my favorite filter because it gives you like that flawless look even when your makeup not so flawless. Colorful hair, don't care. My hair still isn't dry.
And for container, if you put in strawberry.
Look neat, have a flash on. I think on your two-piece with your ass out. Any pan, any girl, many pan, many. Pretty girl with a body, with a bad anybody. You me did a people type on my team. Give her some cocky first time, turn up the rest of history, if you know what I mean.
It's funny on the camera, it actually looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I am no makeup artist, I just know how to help myself, and that's that. Bye.
You can tell when a cute face just come round. Scratches must come from. Gotta shine bright, brighter than my bust down. Baby girl.